สวัสดีค่ะ Everyone worries about tones when they learn Thai, and they're right too. But there's a second thing that flips the meaning of a word completely, and almost nobody drills it. How long you hold the vowel. Short vowel, long vowel. Two entirely different words. Today, in the Tone Lab, we're going to train your ear for exactly that. Look at these two. On the left, kun, a word you use in your very first Thai conversation. It's the polite you. On the right, kun, it means to multiply, the times tables kind. Now, and this is the whole point, listen to the tones. Kun, kun. Did you catch that? The tone is the same. Both sit flat and level on the mid-tone. So the tone gives you nothing to hold on to here. The only thing separating you from multiply is that one vowel is short and one is long. Watch the bars. Kun, short, in and straight out. Kun. Kun. You stretch it, holding that ooh long and steady. Kun. Try the short one. Kun. Now stretch it. Kun. Feel your mouth hold that vowel a whole beat longer on kun. Let me show you this isn't just one strange pair. Here's another. And this time, both words rise like a gentle question. Kan, short. That's a little metal bowl, the water dipper you spot in every Thai bathroom. And kan, long. That means to call out, to answer when your name is read aloud. Kan, tan. Same rising shape, completely different words. And once again, the only thing that changed is the length. Short, kan, the bowl. Long, kan, to call out. And you can even see it. The short one wears a tiny hook above the letter. The long one opens into a tall stroke beside it. And here's one you reach for every single day. One, short, means a day. What day is it today? That one. Now hold that same shape out long and you get wan, to ask someone a favor. One, wan. Same flat mid-tone on both, only the length moves. No pressure at all, but if hearing short from long just clicked, there's more like it behind that button. Okay, ears warmed up? Let's put them to work. I'll say a word, you decide in your head, short or long. Don't overthink it, just feel the length. First one, kun. Long. You held that vowel out nice and long. Kun, to multiply. Next, kan. Short and quick. Kan, the little bowl. And the last one, one. Short, one, a day. Hold it a hair longer and you'd be asking a favor instead. So from today, whenever you meet a new Thai word, ask two questions instead of one. What's the tone? And is the vowel short or long? Your ear did lovely work today. เก่งมากค่ะ Short and long. Now you can hear the difference. Tomorrow, there's another pair your ears can't quite split yet. Subscribe and let's fix that together. ฝึกฟังทุกวันนะคะ